What's up, guys? Leprechaun79 here. The Baja 5B SS is finally done. It was a blast to build. I highly recommend if you guys are going to get a Baja 5B or considering it, definitely go with the kit version. So much more fun, and it'll make you appreciate your car more. I put a lot of time into this. I did everything very carefully, trimmed up all the plastic great and everything, and it looks sexy, not gonna lie. To be honest, I don't even want to drive it right now because I put so much effort into it and everything, but it'll be driven and it will be bashed. I plan on taking it out to the ORV park and doing some pretty sweet hill climbing and stuff like that with it. Yeah, it was just a blast to build. This is just kind of well, of course it's an update and the final build. There's only 2 parts, but I will be doing another video, and it'll just be kind of like a dedication video to my 5B when I get my new camera. I want to do some cool shots and some cool editing. I'm gonna mix it with pictures and video. Probably be mostly pictures. And at the end of the video, there'll be pictures of the steps on building the 5B that carry on from the last video. But yeah, guys, it was a blast to build. I'm kind of disappointed that it's done because it was really fun building it. But when I see the finished product, it's great. I love it. Yeah, I haven't driven it yet, so gotta wait for the weather to warm up. I gotta get a battery for it still. Got all the electronics in it and all that good stuff. So I will give you guys a close-up of it, and you can see what it looks like. Alright, so, and right after this there'll be pictures, so make sure you guys check out the pictures and stuff. The hardest thing, I think, that I did on this car, you guys are probably going to laugh, but was the damn tires. There's so many screws in the bead locks, my hands got sore as shit from putting them all on. But yeah, so probably that, and I have to say the tires and the shocks were actually probably the hardest part about the build, but other than that, it's pretty easy. If you follow the instructions, it's pretty easy and pretty self-explanatory. It took me quite a while to build it because I took my time with it, and I just wanted to, enjoy the build, so. Anyway, enough of me rambling. I will show you guys the pictures, and I'll give you a close-up of the 5B. And here is the Baja 5B SS. It is pretty sweet looking. I had a Josh Best up at Hobbytown paint the body for me. It's pretty nice. I'm very, very pleased with it. Sorry if the lighting's not great right now, but like I said, there'll be another video to come pretty soon here. It's the aluminum tape so the pipe doesn't melt the wing or get the wing hot. But yeah, no mods on or anything like that yet. My washer upstairs is draining, so that noise is the water running down. You can hear it through the sink down here. But yeah, put good old LRC on there so it fades from a racing orange to a gray, and I like the splatter effect. It makes it look really cool. But yeah, guys, God, that is annoying as hell. I can't make it any quieter. Anyway. But yeah, here is the 5B SS. Just giving you guys a nice overview of the baby. So yeah, I'm not going to do a review on it or really go over anything. Just wanted you guys to see the finished product. I'm pretty impressed with it. That water noise is so annoying. I'm sorry, guys, but I don't want to remake this video. Oh, it just stopped. Cool. But there it is, guys. It is now my pride and joy. Hopefully I like it when I drive it, but if I don't, who cares? It looks pretty pimp. Like I said, there'll be another video coming pretty soon here. When I get my camera next week, and hopefully it will be pretty cool. And I'll have a lot of running vids for you guys coming up this summer with the camera. So yeah, there it is, the Baja 5B SS. 36 pounds of RC fun.
Myself